Affiliate Marketing 101 Top Tips for Success. If you're interested in building or expanding a web-based income, an affiliate marketing program can be a great choice. Generally, affiliate marketing programs are free to join. You earn money by promoting their products on your website. Here are some helpful tips to help you get started with affiliate marketing. Write an enhanced review about the affiliate product that you are marketing and include screenshots, photographs, and videos. Most people will not buy a product before understanding exactly what it can do or seeing a demonstration which proves that the product lives up to its claims. An enhanced review can really inform a potential customer about the product, so it has the power to dramatically increase sales. The performance of an affiliate marketing arrangement can be boosted if the webmaster and the affiliate can agree to offer an exclusive product. A purchase that can only be made through an affiliate will be more tempting to a website owner's visitors, increasing click-through and earning more money for both the webmaster and the affiliate. Marketing a product you love is a great way to turn a job into a hobby, so try to pick something that really interests you and that really moves you emotionally. Your love for the product will come through and customers will pick up on this and ultimately buy more from you. When you are a beginner in the field of affiliate marketing, it is important to pick a topic you know about. Because you are familiar with a certain topic, you can provide valuable information and it will be much easier for you to build a website using topics you have extensive knowledge about. As mentioned above, affiliate marketing programs are a great way to create an income stream with little or no initial cost or risk to yourself. While there is a significant amount of conflicting information regarding affiliate marketing available, the tips in this video should help you figure out what you need to do. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to Perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.